Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Whitney Kometz, nutrition educator out of CCE, Shenango County, and today I'm going to be making a fruit pizza to go for you. So let's join in the fun, okay? Okay, so I have my toasted whole wheat English muffin, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting cream cheese on here. So I have a strawberry cream cheese that I'm going to put right on here on each half. And then after that, it's all about just adding your fruit on. So you can basically do whatever cream cheese that you would like. We have a strawberry cream cheese on hand, and this is the fruit that we had on hand. So we have some grapes and strawberries. And so this is nice. It could be a snack to go for the kids or anybody in the family. And it's honestly a great way to get a couple food groups in. So you're getting a whole grain from having that English muffin and a great source of fruit. So here you have it, just some quick and easy fruit pizzas to go. Okay. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope you have a great day. Take care.